Very good. Growth. Remember, living things have to have the capacity to grow.
Great, so that means everyone understood what was going on. So what we want to do today is just discuss it. I'm Carolina Jimeno, I'm a senior at FSU, and I'm in the FSU Teach program.
We're going to make a graph of our new data, and then we're going to write down our new prediction. I'm Sydney Hendricks, I'm a sophomore at Florida State University, and I'm in the FSU Teach program.
I'm Catherine Porwall, and I'm a junior here at Florida State University, and I'm a member of the FSU Teach program.
I need 2 volunteers to come up to the board, one to draw the exponential function.
I'm Kristen Wilson, I'm a senior at FSU. I'm a double major in mathematics and secondary math teaching, and I am part of FSU Teach.
Ew, you just dropped chicken juice on my hand.
I'm sorry, you can wash it, you'll live. I'm Carrie Lawrence, I'm a senior at FSU. I'm a double major in biology and education, and I'm a part of FSU Teach.
Hello, how are you guys? I'm Shannon Wazalewski, I'm a senior at FSU. I'm a double major in math and secondary math education, and I am a part of FSU Teach.
Good, good. It makes the sugar. My name is Brandon England. I'm a senior here at the Florida State University, and I'm a part of the FSU Teach program.
The numbers are a little off from what you said yours were. The FSU Teach program is a program that allows students to come into school at Florida State, and they end up graduating in 4 years with 2 majors, a major in both education and in their subject area, math or science.
The program's unique because you start off from the beginning teaching. You start off the very first class you take. My freshman year I walked in, and 3 weeks later I was in the classroom teaching 5th graders. So from the beginning they start training you, so you get an idea of, is this what I really want to do?
What if you say you try and do them in your head, and then if you already have it written down, you don't write it again?
The FSU Teach program is designed to produce wonderful teachers, teachers that know their content in and out, ones that don't really have to do any research about what a special rule in math is or a rule in science is. It's really the top dogs are coming out of FSU Teach.
What kind of cell is this? Ooh, almost every hand up. I like it. Good job. The best part of FSU Teach is that they really give you a hands-on, authentic, in the classroom experience. You are in the classroom, you are doing lessons, you are the teacher. You're the teacher from the first step. And they really help to inspire you, to give you that motivation to know that you can teach, that you can do it.
They give a lot of good feedback, which is a great part of the program. There's always someone, every time I teach from the first day of freshman year up until I get to apprentice teaching, there's always someone in the classroom observing me, telling me the things I did well, the things I didn't do well.
So if you just ignore the y-squared for now, I love the fact that my very first class with FSU Teach, they put me in an elementary school. So it was easy to just kind of put my foot in the water, see how I liked making a lesson plan and how I like teaching it. And I love it because it really gives me an idea of, do I like making lesson plans? Do I like administering lesson plans?
You can just pull on the muscles. Teaching makes me feel very accomplished. To be able to express what I know to someone else and have them to remember that and to tell someone else, especially when they get really excited about it, it's very rewarding. Maybe we would get closer to this line every time. It is probably one of the most amazing feelings when you're sitting down teaching students and they have that aha, lights turn on, I get it moment. That is probably what every teacher is out there to do. You want those students to have those moments, and we live for those moments.
Okay, so we're going to start with talking about the ordered pair relations.
The thing that I've liked about the FSU Teach program is that they make an effort to involve students. It's designed to produce good teachers, people who care about teaching, who really understand their field. And that's why I think the 2 majors are so crucial here. One major where you really learn your content, and a second where you learn how to recognize good teaching and how to do that for yourself in the classroom.
So what can we do with assessment other than just grade it? What else can we do with it?
What you learn in this program is valuable in almost anything that you do, not just teaching.
If I go over 1 and down 3, I've got 2 lines intersecting right there. You're going to divide by the top numerator by the bottom denominator. I'm Katie Afflington. I am a mathematics teacher at Amos P. Godby High School, and I am a graduate of the FSU Teach program. Do you think it's wrong? Then it's right. Okay? I remember just kind of being doe-eyed and wanting to get into the classroom and thinking that it was all about just, oh, if I stand up there, everyone's going to listen to me. Everyone's going to care. Everyone's going to want to teach. What happens in the morning when you're waking up and your mom comes in and turns on the light? What do you want to do? But it's not the case at all. It's a fight some days to get everyone to want to participate, but because of FSU Teach, I can fight. So if you don't know how to do the bell work, you need to ask questions then. And there are questions now. I don't get it, doesn't count. I know ways to get people engaged. I know ways to get people excited about learning. I don't want to call it lightweight, but it's so easy and fun, and you can try things out. So I think every time I was in the classroom, it was a new experience and it was positive. Even when I crashed and burned, there was something positive that came out of it. I learned that it was okay to crash and burn, and it's all a learning experience.
If it wasn't for FSU Teach, I wouldn't be as involved as I am now with the university. I wouldn't have the opportunities or known about the opportunities to volunteer at local high schools or local community centers where tutors are needed.
There you go. If you really push them in there, that makes a difference, right? This program is awesome because it gives you the opportunities to go and to see and to experience real life teaching with something that you're comfortable with.
Can someone tell me what this does?
The majority of us have been affected by an incredible teacher in our experiences in high school or middle school or elementary school, and because of that, we've decided to become teachers ourselves. And so you see a lot of dedicated, passionate people because we've seen how that can affect student learning.
Your nervous system is a part of it, but your nervous system doesn't cause it. That's all messages from your brain. FSU Teach has given me this amazing experience to be able to go and stand up in front of a group of people, regardless of their age, and help them to grow as a person, as a student.
So we got cartilage. Cartilage is going to help our joints move a little smoother. I would definitely recommend FSU Teach. The group of people, the students, the teachers, the experience itself, being able to be in the classroom from that first class. It's a little daunting at first, but then once you get used to it, it's really, really just an experience.
I teach like a Noel.